See, yesterday I wanted to mow my yard. Okay, because it's starting to get the little bitty stuff like that. Okay, springtime. Great. I was going to mow. It rained. So I was like, all right, cool. I'm just going to wait. Bipolar ass Texas. I am not dressed for this right now because now I've got to go inside and change clothes. Because it's in the 40s now. What the hell? Yesterday it was in the 80s. Today it's in the 40s. By the way, this is a SmallRig microphone. If you can hear me really good, that's because these are freaking awesome. So check them out. TikTok shop. Anyways, back to mowing. So now I got to go inside and change. I believe this will be the first time I've ever come out here and mowed my yard in a jacket in the spring. Texas, get back on your meds. I see now what's going to happen. I went inside. I changed. Getting ready to mow. Can you see it? Can you see the big flaming ball of death up there? It's currently was 44, now it's 47. Temperature's fixing to start climbing. I know just as soon as I get on the lawnmower. And yeah. I swear to God, I hate living in Texas. The weather does not know what it wants to do. By the way, I had to put the Mickey Mouse ears on these because SmallRig mics work even in the wind. Alright, I guess we're going to get this done. If I'm sweating my balls off in 30 minutes, so be it. I think you get the idea. SmallRig clamps. See them right there? Need to get some interesting shots, different perspectives. I mean, there's nothing else I can show you to get you to understand. Click the link.